Here's how you curve text into any kind of path. First, take the pen tool and draw any path you want to your text to follow. So I'm going to take a point here, and while holding the shift key I will go little far away and click and drag. So here I want to my text follow this path. So now we're going to take our artistic text tool, and now when you take this mouse pointer to the path, it will change the icon. So when it's changed to the curve T, click, and now you can write here anything you want, like this is a curve text. Let's select everything by pressing Ctrl A, and from here let's resize it. Now if you notice, there are two arrows at the start of the text and at the end. You can drag them and it will start from here and end at here. And if you want to center your text, at the top click here, align center, and it will center it. And you can change this into anything you want. Let's right click on the pen tool and take the node tool, and here we can modify the curve. Let me show another thing. Let's make a circle and take the text tool. When you hover over at the top of the circle, it will place the text on the top of the circle. But if you take the mouse pointer inside the circle and click, it will write from the inside. So that's something you should keep in mind. And you can use any kind of path. You can go crazy like this, and it will draw accordingly. Alright, that's how you make a curved text. I hope this video was helpful, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.